diaper.
Yeah, it is a diaper. Okay. My kids are here with me, so it might get...
Yeah,
there might be side noises with them talking. But anyway, I just wanted to try to explain the difference between snaps being applied vertically and snaps being applied diagonally. Usually what happens is when you have them vertically, you bring the tab into the middle and they'll snap in place like so. Hold on, Joseph.
Okay.
Now, if you were to put them in diagonally, you would have them snap into place. Like this top one would be in the exact same place. The wings would be here in the middle. And the diagonal snap would probably be in about that position. And it would snap into place into that snap. Thus, the wings would be still in the exact same position. The tightness around the legs would still be exactly the same because the tabs are in the exact same position. The only difference is where these are placed. So it would be snapped here and snapped here. There, underneath. This would just be flapping loosely. Joseph, please don't touch. This would just be flapping loosely if it's a diagonal. Now, the only way I can imagine that there'd be a difference made in the snaps with bringing the leg in tighter would be if these are positioned diagonally and these are positioned the same, except this diagonal wouldn't be exactly here. It'd be more like in the middle, about here, in between these two snaps. So you would have a diagonal going from this point to in between this point, but the snaps on the front of the diaper would still be like this, still going up and down through here. So what would happen is when you go to snap the diaper, this top snap would snap there as usual. However, we'd have a snap positioned right here that would need to go a little bit further to snap in place there. Now what you would have is this pulling, and you'd have this material right here overlapping this material because they'd both be bunching, but you would end up with a tighter fit in the legs. It's just, it would not be as cosmetically nice, but I do believe if you put the snaps here and here, in between those two, and you brought that position, that right in between there, up to meet that snap, then yes, you would get a tighter fit around the legs. I hope this has been helpful. Let me know if you would prefer to go with this style. Style where the snap would be here and here, in the picture you sent me with the superimposed snaps, and thus this snap, this wouldn't be a socket, it'd be a cap just like this one would be there, and thus it would snap in that position and in that position, and all of these snaps would be at an angle. Or if you would prefer it in the other style that I mentioned, where there's a snap here, a snap in between here, but the snaps are still the same on the front of the diaper, and thus would have to come further in. There. So just let me know. Thank you.